Hi everyone, you've probably noticed that there are two main ways to handle nutrition within the app. There's the daily calories feature, and this is sometimes called the calorie tracker or macros tracker, and there is the food journal. They both help track what you eat, but they're designed for different goals and styles. So first, let's look at the daily calories or the calorie tracker. If we select it, you'll see that there is a daily caloric goal of 500 calories. As you know, we do not count calories here. This is simply a placeholder because the app requires it. And the protein goal is 125 grams a day. That is an actual goal. Now, you can log your meals by clicking Add Meal and using the searchable database. So let's say you had some shrimp. And there's 94 results, so you have lots of options here. You can scroll through, find what it is that you ate. If this particular shrimp entry is what meets what you ate, you had 100 grams of it, you can just hit the plus sign and it quickly adds it. Or if you need to adjust it, you can come in here, you can adjust the number in the serving. Let's say you had a cup of shrimp instead of 100 grams. And I don't know why it converts over to 0.007. There we go. And you can see how the macros adjust accordingly when you change the serving. So you don't have to calculate anything. And you log it. Now, quick add is if there's something that you want to add and you personally just want to type in the macros. It's not something that you can find within the searchable database. So you can just add your macros here and it will then calculate, and you can find it here on the dashboard. One thing that I do want to point out is how you can edit what you've logged. So let's say that you didn't actually have this shrimp. That was a mistake. If you swipe left and hit the trash can, it deletes it. So you can think of this as your structured nutrition dashboard, accurate, trackable, and great for accountability. Now let's take a look now at the food journal. You can click here. And this is more casual, it's visual. You might even think of it as food Instagram for your nutrition because you can add photos. And so here you can see I just added chicken. But let's say I want to add a picture. And so I just add photo. I already had this picture uploaded, and so I can select it. What did you eat? It's pretty self-explanatory, but I could always type in that it was a grilled chicken garden salad. Or another thing that you could do here is you could add that how you felt afterwards. I felt satisfied. And this can be great for helping you track patterns as to what foods help you feel satiated or leave you feeling hungry. Hit post. Now let's say an hour later you notice, I'm not feeling so good. Maybe you're feeling bloated. You can track that one of two ways. You can click on this and you can hit edit, and then you can type felt bloated an hour later and hit save. Another thing that you can do is you could also just add it to the comments there. Either way, you're still going to have a record of how you felt before or after the meal. And so there's no counting macros in this feature. Our team can review, like, comment, or give feedback directly, and it's awesome for building awareness or spotting patterns like what's keeping you full, when you're feeling snacky, or even again tracking symptoms. If you notice that you're feeling certain ways after eating certain foods, you can start tracking them here, and it can help you build an awareness and help you zero in on what foods may not make you feel so good. So these are the two ways to use these two features. I hope that they're helpful. If you have questions, let us know because we're here to support you.